My name's Courtney. I'm here today for a cleaning. I started coming when I broke a tooth and I needed a filling, and this is the only place that would take me with no insurance in a timely manner. And I've been staying since, and I love it. It's quieter. It's not as loud as some dentist office. They go by your speed and your comfort level, and they make sure you're comfortable before they do anything. They went by how I felt, not just to get it done. Before, I was terrified. I wouldn't go. And then when I found Smiles by the Sea, I was hesitant because they were some pretty broken teeth that I needed filled. But they made sure I was really numb, I was comfortable, and they talked me through everything that they were going to do. And I don't want to say quick, but it was a lot quicker than before. It's scary, but I go religiously now. I haven't canceled an appointment. I try to see the same people every time, but I honestly will see anybody in the office at Smiles by the Sea now.